Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Now we have the question: a wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turns in 1 second? From the given we have RPM is equal to 360 and RPS is equal to 360 by 60, that is equal to 6. Here RPM means revolution per minute. Here it is given revolution per minute is 360, and in while converting into seconds we have to divide it by 60, that is equal to 6. Now angle made in one revolution will be equal to 360 degrees. So angle made in 6 revolution is equal to 6 into 360 degrees. Now radian measurement, radian measure of the angle in 6 revolution will be given by 6 into 360 into pi by 180. This is for 6 revolution, angle made by 6 revolution, and this pi by 180 determines the wheel revolution. Now we'll be getting answer is equal to 6 into 2 into pi, that is equal to 12 pi. Hence the wheel turns 12 pi radian in 1 second. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study with me. Thank you.